Hello, Chef here. So I was just sharpening up this Japanese knife on my diamond steel here, and I thought I would share this with you. This is handmade, Sekai City, Japan. You can't buy this one here. These are made one by the hands of a master, but you can buy the sharpening steel. That right there is a 12-inch DMT. What I want to show you is a new cut you haven't seen before here. Right there. And that is a chiffonade, but I'm giving it a new name. This is going to be a micro chiffonade. Micro, tiny little fibers. So for that, I'm going to zoom in here on this basil and show you how I do this. It's not real easy to do, and you're not going to be able to do it unless you have a razor sharp knife. So you're going to stack up these leaves of basil, line them up perfectly, roll them up just like this. Nice and tight, just like that. And then I'm going to cut this in half first, pinch them together. I want to get the camera on here for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to hold it really tight and we're going to cut it microscopic thin cuts like this. And you're only going to do that if your knife is razor sharp and you can acquire the freshest possible basil. Right there. Micro chiffonade. Yeah, it's beautiful. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think of that. Really, really fine. It's like hair. Really fine pieces. So with that, that's the video. Of course, you can support your sponsor and you can score all these really cool things. Diamond steels, Japanese knives, butcher blocks. Yeah, it's all the good stuff. Chef has these in all of his kitchens, and you should too. Buy top quality the first time. Buy it once. And in case you're wondering, this has been used over 10 years by multiple chefs. Still going, still has diamonds in, and they're working really well. This was handmade by the hands of the Japanese master for me over 20 years ago. It's beautiful. I love it. Of course, it's hand washed, hand honed on Japanese whetstones after every couple dozen uses, and then it's oiled. This knife will rust, so you have to oil it. This sharpening steel will work with any knife, any good quality knife. You're going to bring the edge right back. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Get cooking. Utilizing some of this micro basil chiffonade on this homemade chicken vegetable soup. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's going to be good. And for the recipe, just search this channel. You'll find quite a few different soups. This is one of the basics. You'll find bone broth, chicken vegetable, chicken noodle, black bean, minestrone, potato leek, and so many others. Beef barley, all the good soups that you really like. You're going to check them out on this channel. Yeah, it's going to be good. like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Oh, keep cooking and have a great day. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little whiter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.